Ate Ayla today. Tapos may meeting din kami sa school kasi enroll namin or we will do Arlo's final steps of enrollment kasi na-enroll na namin si Arlo, 'di ba? Matagal na, wala pang 1 year si Arlo na-enroll na siya. So gagawin namin, i-meet namin yung faculty today to finalize Arlo's enrollment and then we will enroll Indy as well. Para sure na makapasok si Indy sa school na to. They recommend kasi na iput na sa list early para ma-sure talaga na makapasok ka sa school. So that's what we did with Ayla and Arlo. I think we enrolled Ayla when she was 2. And then Arlo was, wala pang 1 ata si Arlo nun. Yeah, tas kapag malapit na yung school, papatawag ka na lang para i-finalize yung enrollment. Pero nandun na sa lista yung bata. I'm gonna turn on the dishwasher. So yung meeting namin alas 10 pa. But I need to do Ayla's hair. I will need to do your hair, my love, for a photo day. I will have to decide this time, okay? I want to make sure they can see your face in the photo. Yep, like that. Exactly like that, baby.
Are they capsules?
Sorry?
Are they capsules?
No. Coffee beans. Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's not really strong.
Yeah. Mama? Yes? We forgot to read this book, Baba. We've been reading your unicorn. We forgot about this one. Just tell them you got new books this week too. From the playground. Did you go to the toilet? What? Did you go to the toilet? Can you go to the toilet, please?
My hair will look like this.
You got photos today.
She doesn't.
Photos today.
Got runny nose, Bob?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who's got runny nose in school?
No, Rose. They get it
No
all the time.
No one.
No one. They're pretty good. Like she hasn't missed school because she's sick so far. So
What?
yeah, you haven't missed school because you're sick. Like you've always been well. Good morning. Oh, baby.
How's it sleep anymore? Yeah, good. No worries.
Hello, Papa.
You didn't bring any coffees? Nah, Rose just made one. I gotta fix. We're gonna fix it. Yeah, little girl, what you doing?
I want my hair like this.
Bye-bye.
Mama, I want my hair like this.
Babe, we can't do it like that. I have to do the other one too. Okay, don't cry. Tito John's here.
Yeah, last week we got one day. So they need to get the big on the app or did they?
Where is your nose? Where are your eyes? Oh. Ati's getting ready. Let me see. Oh, beautiful. You're gonna have really beautiful photos, baby. I know you will be pretty too. Yes, yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. Happy 6 months old, my love. She's 6 months today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow, she's gonna be 6 months old and 1 day. I know.
Is that older?
That's older, yeah. But, oh my gosh, she's 6 months. You are older. My love, she's 6 months today.
Yes.
Half a year old. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, time flies. You're older. Of course you're older. You're gonna be 5. Jen.
Mommy, her still 0.
She's still 0, yeah. I didn't say she's 1. She's 0. Yep. So you will come back and then, yeah.
We'll go and pick up the classes.
Okay.
6 months.
So I need to get Indy ready and Arlo ready. And me ready. Sakit na tuhod ko. Tumama yung tuhod ko. Aray, sakit ng biskot eh. Iiyak na lang. Iiyak na lang ako eh. Ay. Ay, nako guys. Deep breaths. It's only 8:35 ng umaga. So, inatid ni Dan si Ayla. Tapos, maya, balik yun. Tapos, alis kami before 10. Kasi 10 yung meeting namin. Kailangan ko pang i-fill out yung enrollment form ni Indy. Lalagay lang akong sunscreen. Yung sunscreen na gamit ko is... Paiba-iba yung sunscreen na gamit ko. But today, I'm using the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun na sunscreen. May SPF 50. PA 4 na pluses. Maganda tong sunscreen na to. Paborito din to ni Miss. So, kapag naubusan siya, in-orderan ko din siya ng ganyan. I got that from Yes Style. Razul 10 for 10% off. Itali ko yung buhok ko kasi parang hindi ko siya maintindihan today. Ay, what a morning guys. What a morning. Si Tito Jan umalis na din. Sabay sila ni Dan. Malayo kasi yung ida-drive niya. Tapos diretso na yun siya uwi. Ay, ang dami kong trabaho. Ayoko isipin yung trabaho kasi nasa-stress ako. But, hindi ko kasi siya nagawa kahapon. Nainis ako kapag hindi ako nakaka-work kasi nagpa-pile up yung work. But then again, I don't wanna think about it. And hindi ako pwedeng magreklamo. Lalo na kay Danny Boy. Kasi kapag nagreklamo ako, sabihin niya, you know you don't have to do that, right? Tapos balik na naman tayo sa conversation na, huwag ka na lang magtrabaho, hindi mo naman kailangan magtrabaho. And I'm not complaining. I just really like working. Hindi pwedeng wala akong ginagawa kasi mabubuang ako. Kailangan ko lang itatak sa isip ko na that is not your priority. So, it's okay. Minsan kasi parang gusto mo, gawin mo na lang lahat talaga. Gawin mo lahat. And kapag hindi mo nagagawa lahat kasi hindi na kaya ng oras, medyo nadi-disappoint ka, that is me. That is me. And I don't like it. Kasi sinistress ko yung sarili ko sa bagay na hindi ko naman nakontrolado. Nasaan na yung, meron akong ginamit na lip tint kahapon na gustong gusto ko. Parang nasa bag ko na. Kasi ang ganda ng shade niya. Hindi siya yung typical na mga shades na ganito. Maganda to for summer. Kaya lang, yung mga ganitong tints kasi from Etude House, ano siya, bright talaga sila mostly. Tingnan ko nga. Siguro naman matutone down mo to. Yeah, yung mga ganyan na shade talaga ba? No, di ba nilagay na? Ayan. Uy, maganda din naman to. Tapos ito sa labas. The best talaga yung water tint ng Etude House. Napakadali lang i-apply ba? So, yung unang nilagay ko is the Etude House water tint. Shade nito is 02. Yun lang. And then, naglagay ako on top ng Romand Juicy Lasting Tint shade Bear Grape. And I am good. I am good in the hood. Ay, I need to declutter mamaya na. Hindi ko pa ito napuput away kasi gusto kong mag-declutter dito nga. Kaya ako nga yan in-order. Ito na naman. Nagdadagdag na naman ako ng gawain sa aking buhay. Alright. Ooh, we will get rid of this because I'm almost finished. I think today is the last. Yeah, ubusin na kita today. Ito yung isa sa mga goal ko eh. I need to get rid of this bottle para bawas-bawasan yung display ko dito. Kasi ayoko nang bumili ng perfume. Ubusin natin to lahat. Hindi ganun kadami yung perfume ko, guys. Hindi ako madalas bumibili. Mostly sa mga nandito, mga bigay sa akin. Kasi kapag perfume, wala akong tagong nilalagyan sa kanila. Naka-display talaga siya. And ayoko yung maraming display dito sa countertop ko. Konti na lang. Konti nga lang to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 13, dami pala. Ang dami pala din. Alright, this is done. Tingin-tingin ako kung ano yung next na uubusin ko. Ubus na to. Alright. Tapon na natin to. Lagay ko muna kita dyan. OOTD, this is from Zara, this is from Zara. And then siguro magsasandal lang ako yung Charles and Keith. I-ready ko lang yung damit ng mga batang bael. Bakit nasa-stress ako? I don't like this feeling. So, ganyan yung kulay ng lipstick ko. What's Arlo gonna wear today? Hingang malalim, Grace. Bakit parang akong ninenervyos? Ito yung outfit ni Indy. Every time na nag-open ako ng mga ganito, iniisip ko na naman, oh, kailangan ko to i-declutter. I need to stop thinking about what to do. Kasi, nasi-stress ako. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo yung mga iniisip ko. Kasi nadadagdagan na naman yung to-do list ko sa utak ko. Sabi ko, pag-open ko dito ngayon lang, sabi ko, oh, kailangan ko na naman i-declutter yung damit ni Indy. Hindi mo kailangan i-declutter yan ngayon. My gosh. I need to fill out Indy's enrollment form. Tapos na yung ganito ni Arlo eh. So yung kay Indy na lang. Baba! My gosh! 3 na yung estudyante natin. Kaya pa ba natin to? What's your job description now? Employer.
Self-employed.
We're both self-employed.
Maybe tomorrow I'm having up my night for a look.
Yeah, I have that on my calendar. .com.au. Oh, I can't believe. Oh gosh, when did I arrive in Australia? I don't even know. Visa type, my goodness. Bachelor's degree. What did you say?
It's Daddy.
It's gone.
Are you still?
Yeah, we're going to school, okay?
Is Daddy far away?
No, he's not far, he's there. We will meet him at the car park.
Park?
Yeah,
I don't see.
there, ahead of us. Do you want me to go closer?
What?
Here, see, that's Daddy's car, the big white one. Is Indy awake or sleeping?
Away.
Awake. Ninervyos ako, guys. Ano na? She's awake. He's eating. Good eating, boy. We are done! Si Indy na talagang enrolled na 6 months pa lang siya, guys. Pero sabi actually ng staff, sabi niya, kahit naman hindi nyo i-enroll agad kasi nandito na yung isa nyo, you will get priority kasi may sibling na nga si Indy dun. But we like being organized, you guys know that. So, at least, enrolled na silang 3. Pero si Arlo officially enrolled na talaga siya for preschool. And same with occasional care. Enrolled na din siya for occasional care. Tapos makikita mo talaga yung difference sa mga bata, no? Kasi I remember when we had the interview for Ayla, she was very shy. Kapag tinatanong siya nung nag-i-interview, hindi siya masyadong sumasagot. She's really shy. But with Arlo, walang ka-shy-shy itong batang to. Nakikipag-usap pa, dinadagdagan pa yung mga sagot. As in, nakakatuwa lang. Kasi tinatanong nila, anong strengths ng bata, ganun-ganon. And yeah, really happy with Arlo, you're doing such a good job, Arlo. You're such a good boy. Alright, so we will go home because Mommy's got a lot of work to do. And we're really happy with their school. As in, Ayla's building connections with other kids. She's got friends. And she comes home happy. Yun naman talaga yung importante, yung masaya yung bata. And kapag umuwi siya, sinasabi niya na, oh, naglaro kami ni ganito, ni ganyan. And Arlo's familiar with the school as well kasi may kasama man siya minsan kapag dinadrop or pinipick up si ate. And he likes it. Tapos na timingan din during our interview, parang patapos yung interview namin, nagsilabasan na yung mga bata for their snacks. And pinakita nung interviewer kay Arlo na, oh, ganito yung mangyayari, magsasnack kayo, mga ganitong oras. Tapos Arlo was just having a conversation with her. Sabi ko, ang sarap naman. Kasi si Ayla talaga noon, nahihiya talaga siya makipag-usap. Naglalaro lang siya dun sa sulok. Kasi meron silang, mga toys din dun sa sulok. And Arlo was playing and like talking at the same time. Whereas Ayla before, she was very shy. Diretso luto. Lutuin ko lang yung aking veggies. So, lagyan ko lang yung salt, garlic powder. Mas prefer ko na niluluto yung gulay kasi kumukonti. Para madali lang siyang ilagay sa sandwich. Tapos, hindi mo na mamalayan. Ang dami na pala nakain mo, diba? And spinach is good kasi hindi mo siya masyadong na lalasahan. Pero nakukuha mo yung sustansya ng gulay. That's it. Tapos, initin ko lang dito ang beef. So, I will have parang steak sandwich din. Kasi may natirang beef. Kunting beef from kahapon. So, ito yung i-lunch natin. Ang aga pa actually, but gusto ko nang kumain. Kasi, kailangan ko mag-edit. Kuha lang ako cheese, tapos i-melt ko sa gilid. So, ilagay ko lang yung gulay dito. Parang ang konti lang. Pero half a bag yun. Masarap ng beef. Ang lambot-lambot niya din kasi. Mas gusto ko yung ganitong party ng beef kaysa yung steak talaga na makapal. Tapos yung iba isi-save ko for Arlo. Hindi pa yun magla-lunch si Arlo kasi kain lang ng kain yan. Tapos maaga pa nga kasi din. He will have this with rice. Nagustuhan niya ito with rice kahapon. So he will have the same one for lunch. And then lastly, ilalagay ko yung bread na may cheese para ma-melt yung cheese natin. Lagyan ko siya ng mayo. Kahapon hindi ko ito nilagyan ng mayo. And sarap na ako dun. And then, my bread with cheese. Ganyan lang, guys. Napakasimple. Ang sarap na ako dito. Kain tayo, guys. Yum. Kain, guys. Alright. Tapos na mag-lunch. Let's deal with the laundry. Tapos na yung first load. Niload ko yan kanina before tayo umalis. So, take this out. Put it in the dryer. Pero hindi lahat ilalagay ko sa dryer. So, yung iba, I just hang to dry. Like, ito, polo ni Arlo. Tsaka yung mga damit ni Dan. Kasi baka mag-shrink. Lalo na yung mga work clothes niya. I hang it dry. She's happy. Oh, good job, ate. Yeah, I wanted those spreads, but they're very big.
These actually quite reasonably priced.
Yeah.
Because what about any of this stuff?
What are they? Let me see.
The sauce,
Nah, tinola. Unless there's anything there that you want me to cook.
Mommy!
Baby!
got adobo?
What's that for? Ah, no. I know adobo. No good.
Daddy?
Any sauces? I don't
Dada,
think it's much.
can I send the car?
In the car, you can have it.
I'm good with sauces. Oh, can you get that crispy patata? You just walk past it. Yeah, the brown one. That one, yeah. Just one, please. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Arlo.
See you later.
Later.
Funny face.
He's very funny, Daddy.
It is very funny. Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. I want water.
Oh, Daddy, ask them where their donut's coming. Dunkin' Donut.
Hopefully next week.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Ang cute ni Ayla. Sumama siya kay daddy niya eh. Sumama sa appointment ng daddy niya. So, pinick up siya ni daddy. Umuwi na silang dalawa. Tapos, umalis sila. Tapos sabi ni Dan, gusto mo ba sumama? Sabi niya, sama. O, ayun, sinama ni daddy. Mabait naman yun sa appointment eh.
What's Aya?
With daddy. And then, dumaan sila sa guys, Asian shop. Lagi naman yan kapag si Dan talaga, malapit siya sa mga Filipino shop or sa shop na alam niyang gusto ko. Tinatanong niya ako kung mayroon akong kailangan dun. Football! Who's this?
Football.
What team is it?
Daddy.
Daddy's team. Our team.
Yeah. Do.
Nag-edit ako eh.
Bubble hole.
Hello.
Mommy, I want milk.
Hello.
Milk, mommy, milk.
Milk? Okay. Hello.
Milk.
I'm gonna get Kuya milk, okay? Okay, beautiful. Sus, kabuyang di ani mo dira. Ay ka. Oh, no. Nangita ka kuan. Wala eh. Ana alam mi. Oy, basta ito. Gara na sad. Gara na ako mga manghod, guys. Makain ng balot. Pakasarap ng balot. Trabaho tayo, guys. Pinapakain ko si Indy kanina. Kadalasan kapag nagpapakain ako, nag-play ako ng mapapanood. And yan yung pinanood ko. Namakain ng balot si Zel. Maya-maya lang nandito na yung si Dan at saka si Ayla. I'm cooking pasta for the kids. Dan will just have chibati. And I will have... Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano kakainin ko, guys. Hindi ako nag-rice kanina, so pwede ako mag-rice ngayon. Kaya lang, ano ang aking uulamin? Let's check what we can ulam. Check muna natin. Kainin ko to. Meron pa akong natirang isang laing. It's on the floor. It's rubbish. Put it in the bin, please. Thank you. Bele.
What you got?
What you got, mommy? What you got? What you got? Oy, don't touch. Oh my God.
What you got?
Halika dito. Dito ka.
I made this for you, Mama.
Oh.
I open this.
Uy, it's shopping man. Grocery man to.
I made this for you, Mama.
Agoy. Makikita ang mga makasalanang mga nilalang. Ooh, Agoy.
Happy.
Oh, is that your favorite?
Giant.
It's a giant.
Oh my God.
Hello? Ate Ayla bought this. What do you say to Ate?
Thank you. It's giant.
It's giant.
You opened it?
Oh no, we can't open this. We need a giant hand to open it. It's really big.
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's giant.
That is a giant. What else did you get?
Giant.
Ooh.
Can I change it?
No, we're not eating that now. No.
Giant.
You gotta wait until after dinner. I'm cooking pasta for you.
Oh my God. My
What?
favorite. Oh my God. Pasta, my favorite.
Your favorite.
Giant.
That's good. Bumili sila ng mga chips kasi yung cheese ring naubos na, guys. Sinare kasi nila to sa iba. Marami yung binili ko, diba? Yung mga batang to, alam niyo naman to.
Let's open it.
So, bumili si Daddy ng marami. 4. Para sa kids. Tapos, ito din. Bumili din ako nito last time. Naubos na din.
Open this, Mom.
Kasi, si Daddy din kumakain din ito. Paborito din kasi ni Daddy.
You open that.
No, I need giant hands. I don't have giant hands. And then, sa lahat ng binili kong chips, Mr. Chips yung naubos. Kasi shinare natin kinamanay. And ito din. Pero yun lang yung nakain ko. The rest nandyan pa, guys. So, marami ako bumibili ng chips kapag pumupunta ako doon. Pero, hindi ko naman siya kinakain agad-agad. Kasi hindi naman ako malakas kumain ng bongga. Daddy got me 2 of these. Naalala nyo to? Nung nag-Pilipinas tayo, nag-uwi ako ng mga ganito kasi masarap siya. Meron doon sa Welcome Asia. This is from Welcome Asia pala, ha? Yung shop sa Beefield Road. And ito talaga yung gustong bilhin ni Dan. Bumili ako ng afritada na sauce, diba? Kung siya lang, kulang siya, guys. Pero nakakatulong siya kasi ito na yung sauce mo. Dinagdagan ko lang siya ng mga iba pang pampalasa. kasi nakulangan ako sa kanya. But, malaking tulong na siya kasi ito na yung sauce mo talaga. And nagustuhan siya ni Dan. So, niluto ko to one night. Hindi ako nag-vlog nung time na yun. And gustong-gusto siya ni Dan. Sabi niya, lutuin mo ulit. And ito, kumuha ng 3. So, sabi ko sa kanya, kumuha ka ng minudo. Sabi ko, isa lang nito kasi pork minudo siya. Ayoko nga mag-pork. Pero, kumuha siya ng 2. Ma-expire siya, August naman daw. Ito, October. October. Ayoko yung i-open. Arlo, come here. Daddy's on the phone. Come here. So, kids pasta's almost ready. Ang ating daddy ay nag-request ng onions. Yung same na onions na niluto ko kagabi. Hindi pa ko siya, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng timpla. Usually kasi hindi ko tinitimplahan yung onion. Kasi naglagay nga ako ng mushroom. Tinimplahan ko siya. And gustong-gusto ni Dan. Nung una pa sabi pa niya, parang ang weird naman na mayroong mushroom. Ngayon ko lang to nakita na may mushroom. Sabi ko, parang makadagdag tayo ng gulay. Dinamay ko yung asawa ko talaga sa pagulay-gulay natin. Pero nagustuhan niya. So ngayon, meron ako natirang mushroom dyan. Gawa tayo ulit nun. So gagawin niya tong chivachi sandwich. Tapos lagyan niya ng ganito. Nasa air fryer na yung chivachi niya. Yung sausage na masarap. Kasi may laro din yung pork tonight. 3 na lang. Hindi ko siya inubos kahapon. Kasi nga alam ko, mawiwirduhan si Dan. Pero masarap siya. So kung nagkakaramelize kayo ng onion para sa mga sandwich, try nyo lagyan ng mushroom. Masarap. Naligo na si Dan. Kasi may laro yung team namin. Gusto niya after dinner, diretso panood nila. Sobrang dali lang nito. Onions. Tapos lagay mo yung mushroom. Tapos lagyan ko lang siya salt, pepper, at saka garlic powder. Yun lang, guys. Meron na akong cucumber dito. Yan yung aking side dish na gulay today. Kasi laing man ang ating ulam. Ito na yung pinaka-last ko na laing na frozen dyan. Initin ko lang din to. Tapos rice. Konting rice. Kids pastas here. Yes? What? Rose or Ralph? Rose is a girl's name, yes.
Is D a girl's name?
A what?
D.
D?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can be a girl's name. Palamigin lang natin konti. Kids dinner. Daddy's dinner, chivachi on bread with mushroom and onions. How's your dinner, girl? Keep eating, girl. Keep eating, boy. Okay, thank you. Dinner. Sus, yung laing. Oh, mamantika. Ang sarap. Kain tayo, guys.